Guys, it's 11:24. I just woke up and I didn't plan to wake up at this time. I woke up because of my brother, and he was going to work, and I had a package coming in. I was supposed to do a hair haul, guys. Anyways, the package just came in this morning, and I know I want to open it, so I'd rather open it on camera. This is my package. This is my package, guys. I'm going to unbox it. Handy dandy. Anyways, let's go. I've always wanted to receive a package in a box. I have never till today.
I'm tired of suffering.
So let's do that. This is everything in the box. Yes, I know you're saying Dr. Teal. I ordered it. But hear me out. I know, yes, you saw a Dr. Teal in the other video. Hear me out. This is so big. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, so it's like this. It's a Dr. Teal's foaming bath with pure Epsom salt. Sleep bath with melatonin and essential oils help ease aches and soreness from muscle pain. Promotes a better night's sleep. Last long in bubble. Gently cleanse. So yeah, there's like 34 ounces. This should last me till the end of the year. Officially, this should last me to the end of the year. So I made good on that. Oh yeah, so I never had this set of combs before, and as you can see, I'm a naturalista. Not a YouTube naturalista, but personally I'm keeping my natural hair. So yeah, this is, I just bought this set of, let me open it for y'all to see. Combs, right? Combs. Cotton combs. It's just that I didn't put edge comb in it, like an edge brush. It would have completed the set. I bought it. And this goes for 1 2, guys. This I think goes for 5K. 5,000 naira, so it's like $6 thereabout, around $6, guys. And this like 1 2 naira, around maybe $2 or $3. So yeah, it comes in handy. Oh, okay, I made a mistake. It's supposed to be the other way. So I got this We Naturals. I've always been looking at We Naturals. Oh, sorry, Pure Naturals. I've been looking at it for a while now. So this it's a coconut butter cream. It contains coconut oil, hibiscus, and other natural ingredients. Blends together to make it whatever the fuck it is. Anyway, so I got it. I have this Kuzi hair cream ball. I don't know, it might get done soon, so I decided to get these to restock on it. Anyways, more deep conditioner, guys. I'm sorry. I know y'all will be like, oh, bitch, not, oh my god, not the deep conditioner again. Yeah, bitch. Yep. So yesterday, when I was making this braids right here, I'm gonna show you all in a minute. When I was making my braids, it was breaking so bad. I don't know why it was breaking, because I've been trying to be consistent with my deep conditioning. I know I didn't deep condition to braid this, but I didn't expect my hair to cut that much. So I don't know whether it's the biotin I'm taking, because I'm taking biotin. I don't know whether it's the biotin, but my hair breaks on a normal day. Breaks really well. Like, I have this huge breakage every time, but I don't know. So I just stock up on olive oil deep conditioner. This one. Okay, I think it's like $8 or so. I can't remember. I'll write the price here. Anyways, this is a mask. Anyways, I got it. Okay, so I think this is the gift, because they're currently on a promo, a sale kind of thing, and then they put this as a gift. So I think this is a mixing bowl. Oh wow, I've been looking for a mixing. Funny enough, yesterday when I went to the Prince, I wanted to get a mixing bowl because I needed to like mix for my face and stuff. But this comes in handy. It has measuring cups. I don't want to open it yet, but it has the measuring cups. What to scoop, what to scoop. So I probably will be doing my mask with a lot of Ayurveda. I have Ayurveda I've not used in 2 years. I'm gonna bring them out and use. Yeah, being that herbs don't spoil, so I'm mixing it with my deep conditioner. So I rinse it out. This will come in handy mixing. I mean, for fixing that fucking hair. Y'all know this. I mean, you will probably even know more than I do. Next is this one I'm so happy about. So this is Salon Beauty Professional Mist Spray. It's a long press. So I always wanted to have this one that you could hold instead of just on your hair like okay, hold on, I'm brainstorming. What am I even saying? So guys, there's this one. I've been seeing it all over TikTok and Instagram. So you just put your mixture in it. So instead of the regular shop, you just instead of the regular shop like you go like one press and that's it. Like you could, and then it just keeps coming out like till it's done. Instead of doing like roll your hair, you just go. Bitch, this is cool. I'll be using it to prank my brother. I'll use it to be terrorizing my brother, or feeling like cold water on a cold day and just go and then like on him. So yeah, this is good. Oh my god. Okay, they give you an invoice. So that's even better. So this spray bottle is 3,000 naira. Wait, hold on. The Dr. Teal foaming bath, sorry, is 4,000 naira, not 5,000 naira. The spray glue is 2,000 naira. The deep conditioner. The deep conditioner is 3,000. I think everything I got, the only thing that was the most expensive was the only thing that was the most expensive was Everything I spent anyway was 33k. So yeah, I think the most expensive one is this one I'm about to show you guys now. Hold on. I've never had a Jamaican black castor oil before. I've always wanted to have it in say 6-7 years, and I've never had it. And this is the first time. Everybody medium bottle. So yeah. So this is yeah. I think this is the one that's the 5.5. Like every girl's supposed to have, except to have this very perfect hair. If not, every girl's supposed to have Jamaican black castor oil. I'm sorry. Anyways, let's see. This is the 100% pure peppermint oil. So I want to be using this. I feel like little drops of it. I want to be able to mix it with water, black castor oil, leave-in conditioner, and spritz my hair. So yeah, and this, when your scalp tingles the scalp enough to allow blood flow, which helps in hair growth. Thank you. Dr. Teal's sleep spray with melatonin, and like I can't wait to. I mean, I have melatonin supplement, the tablet, but I don't like to take it because it makes my heart beat. It makes my heart race a lot, so I don't like taking it. I take it on very, very rare occasions, but this I probably will use every night. If you know me, you know I have an issue with sleeping. I have an issue with sleeping on time and waking up on time. And most times I never end up sleeping because I get so overwhelmed that I don't know. I'm the kind of person, if I'm too happy, I don't sleep. If I'm too sad, I don't sleep. If I'm depressed, I don't sleep. If I'm worried, that's the worst. I could stay for days without sleeping and I won't feel it. So yeah, this will come in handy whenever I feel like, okay, bitch. I hope you all enjoy the products. Like, I feel like they're essential. Especially if you are on a hair journey, they're essential. But these, oh my god. Okay, I think I might go back to sleep because what? This is it. This is the truth. If you are a mother or you are a lady who know that you don't sleep, or a guy, I know most guys watch my channel, so if you're a guy and you don't sleep or you don't, invest in these, baby boy. Invest in these. It's not that expensive. I mean, let's see, how much is it? Dr. Teal sleep spray. It's also 4,000. So yeah. But wait, what? How this be 4,000 and this 4,000? Like, this is 36 ounce and this is 6 ounce. Dr. Teal, like, y'all joking with me. In case y'all ever get to see this video, I know you're gonna see this video. But what? I'm going to put the name of the store in the description box. I can't give them credit because I bought all this shit with my money, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share this video if you are interested in me reviewing stuff like this. Tell me if you have any questions about any of the products, you want to know how it worked when I used it or anything, just drop in the comment section. I need you guys to always interact with me in the comment section. I hate the fact that you guys don't talk to me. You guys just come, watch the video, comment, and go. No, I want to have conversations with you guys in the comment sections. Like, ask me questions about the products, ask me questions about when you used it, how did you look, how did you feel, all that. Or where can I get it? I want important questions, okay? Ask me questions in my comment section and I'll be ever ready to answer. I reply all my comments, okay? I reply all my comments on all my social media platforms. Well, not every time, especially TikTok. When my comments get to like 1,000, forget it. I'm not answering you again. Just send me a DM. If you can't send me a DM because I'm not following you now, drop it to my Q&A section. I will have like almost 1,000 Q&A questions I've not answered. I'm planning on doing an extensive Q&A I was thinking of answering my TikTok questions, Q&A, on here. So I don't know. I'm still working on it. If I can, I'm going to answer it and then tell them to go come watch the video, the entire video. So in case you ask me a question on TikTok, your answer will be on YouTube. Okay? And so any other, if there are funny parts of it, I could take like clips, little minute clips, like the question and then the reply I give, and post them on TikTok. Hopefully those blow up too. Okay? So take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in the next one.